Did you know? If a human got stuck on Jupiter, it would be the ultimate survival challenge. Here's what would happen, and trust me, you won't want to pack your bags for this trip. First up, Jupiter is made entirely of gas, so there's no solid ground to land on. Picture this. You jump out of a spaceship and just keep falling and falling. Jupiter's surface is actually layers of thick clouds made of hydrogen and helium. And beneath those, more gas. No land in sight. It's like a giant cosmic cloud pillow, except way less cozy. Now, let's talk weather. Ever heard of the Great Red Spot? It's a storm so massive it could swallow 3 Earths, and those winds? They can blow up to 400 miles per hour. That's like being caught in a storm with supersonic fighter jets flying past you. And it's not just the Great Red Spot. Jupiter's storms rage across the planet. Forget umbrellas. You'd need a force field. Let's say you're still falling. As you go deeper, the atmospheric pressure increases to unimaginable levels, like 2 million times the pressure on Earth. Anything that enters would get squashed into oblivion. Imagine being a tin can under a mountain. That's your fate. Now, let's talk temperature. The upper atmosphere is freezing, around 145 degrees C, but if you somehow keep falling, temperatures skyrocket to a scorching 240,000 Zedodeg C. That's hotter than the surface of the sun, so whether you freeze or fry, you're toast either way. It's like Jupiter can't decide if it wants to be Antarctica or a furnace. Even if you could survive all that, Jupiter's radiation would finish the job. Its radiation belts are 1,000 times more intense than Earth's. You'd be hit by waves of radiation that'd fry your DNA in seconds. Let's just say you'd be glowing brighter than the sun. For all the wrong reasons. So what if a human got stuck on Jupiter? Between endless falling, deadly storms, crushing pressure, extreme heat, and radiation, you wouldn't last long. But hey, isn't space wild? Want more mind-blowing space facts? Hit that subscribe button and join the Cine of Black Universe YouTube channel Adventure. We're just getting started.